that's the ride. That's very nice ride. So Viking. At kung kayo baguhan pa lamang sa aking channel guys, pag-pindot lamang subscribe button at notification bell para laging updated sa mga bagong videos ni upload ko sa channel ko sa YouTube. Intro muna tayo guys.
What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our generic channel.
Welcome. That's welcome. Caterpillar. That's alright. Oh, for kids. That's the ride. That's very nice ride. So Viking. It's very hard. Going slower. I think it is unloading or loading. It's unloading already. It's another bus. Very nice ride. Very nice ride. It's loading again. Loading. We'll see how high the boat will reach. Still reloading.
reloading the riders who want to experience the auto ride on a boat like this, swinging very high. Yeah, it's higher and faster than the Ferris wheel. And the other side is see that it goes also very fast. This is the ride. Still reloading. Still reloading. The Viking boat is still reloading. Ha? Sino?
Tayo.
Ayaw ko. Baka mamatay ako dyan. Ayaw ko. Kayo na lang, kayo na lang. Kayo na lang. Huwag mo sakay sa likod dyan, baka hindi makahinga. Umiiyak kanina eh. Nagsisigaw, di ba? Ayan, yan si Patrick, ilang yun din. Ano kayo ito? Magkano ba?
70.
70.
Liwag ka. Tsaka ako. Ha? Apat kami.
Dalawa.
Liwag
Ay, yung tagad mo?
kasi.
Yung tagad mo na. Wala na. Pangkas na yan, 1,000.
Si Mama.
Pangkas yan. Si nanay, sakay mo dyan. Ano sila sakyan niya? Still reloading. Riders. The other one is the ride, which is Caterpillar. That's the Caterpillar ride. That's the one is already moving. Caterpillar ride. The Caterpillar is getting slower, slower, and slower. It's getting higher already. It's very far. It's very high, very high. Yeah. It's getting higher and higher. Yeah. It's very high. I think Sumakay sa mami mo. Ayaw mo? Ay, hindi mo kaya? Ay, it's getting slower already. I think it's...
Tao mo na.
Ako? Amoy, amoy. It's I think it's finished. Yeah. Oh, still. Oh, it's finished. They are already unloading. It's only a few minutes. A few minutes only. Ha? Meron kaya na. Wala, baka mamatay ako. Ayaw ko dyan. Ayaw ko yung tumataas. Baka matanggal yung bitok ako. Oh, pag tumaas ka pag tumataas din yung bitok ko eh. Mapababa na naman eh, parang mapapaihi.
Tara.
Lalo na!
Ah, si Patrick, isa kanyo. Wala naman sumakay.
Laki, price kayo.
That's how the kids play. That's one of the entertainment here. Ha? Ay, kayo na?
Ha?
Ayaw, hindi ako content.
Gusto mo sa balagala?
Eh, si Patrick, sakay mo nga yan.
Ayaw niya nga eh.
Bakit?
Natatakot siya.
Ay, bakit ka na? Hindi ka natakot doon?
Ayaw niya nga ako payagan.
Ha?
Ayaw niya nga ako payagan.
Bakit?
Nakabidyo ka pa yan.
May baon ni Tito.
Laging spirit.
Naligo ako kanina.
Ala.
Ano, ayaw ni Patrick.
Tara.
That's the first wheel. Sumakay ka! Hindi ka sumakay. Katabi mo nga ako. Ano dyan?
Tara na!
Ah, pa. May tali, tatali ka oh. Hindi ka mahuhulog. Masarap yan. Gumagano no. Nung bata ko, yan, Sarap yan. Pero yung bituka kasi parang kan eh. Parang tumataas, parang nahuhulog ganun. And that's the first way. Continue watching, guys, this video. Let's watch the boat again, the Viking. Oh yeah, it's very high. I think it's 180 degrees, yeah. 180 degrees high. See. Oh yeah, it's 180 degrees. Yeah. It's 180 degrees. Yes. And this is how the fiesta goes on at Giginto. There are so many rides. But there's no person that are entertaining. It's only games. The games that is gambling, and then roulette, and then target of a shooting of a balloon, and also bingo, and Ferris wheel, and what else? That what else games here? Some are gambling, yeah. What the very exciting ride here is it's the Viking, yeah. And the Ferris wheel, because it will get you very high. You will ride behind very fast, and then use the Ferris wheel. Yeah, Ferris wheel is still reloading. It is already. It's going on. Ferris wheel is going on. Ferris wheel is going on. Let's see. Very fast. Ferris wheel is very fast. Yeah. Very high. It's getting higher and lower. It's really wheel. Ayun, katabi si Juban. Katabi si Juban, yan. Yan. Ah. that's the way how Ferris wheel goes on with the ride, or there are a few riders. It's really getting faster, yeah, faster. It's already unloading the rudder. Okay. And the other one is unloading also. No more. And that's also another game of entertainment. Manod ka. Manod ka. Here's a player.
Ay, galing ni Bode. Oo, sapon ka. Ay, hindi.
Kailangan mahulog.
Kala ko win-win ka na.
Baseball. Baseball. Ako. Hindi, not strike. Strike. Uy.
Malabo.
It must be a strike. Yes. It's not a baseball player. He did not make it. It's not a good baseball player.
Ano, bumili ka rin. Kain mo sana.
The players, the kids are trying to play with the guns. Yeah.
Uldan, bayad na ta.
You wait, not yet, di pa. Later on. You was first there, oh. Ganyan mo yun, galing nyo. Oh. Wala mintis. Oh, ganyan, galing. Ay, wala na, ubos. Sige, bigyan mo silang dalawa, tag-isa sila. Bilaan nyo kung ilang buwan, baltamaan nyo, ha.
Bayad na ba ta?
Hindi basta, babayaran ko. Bilaan nyo kung ilang matataman yung balon, ha. Ay, balon ba, eh?
Dali na,
Okay. Wait. They will fix first the plastic.
Ano kay Papa rin? Lalay mo na ito para.
Okay, the kids are trying to sight the... Okay, they will play now. Okay.
Bayad na to.
No good. That's no good. You cannot hit. The girl cannot hit the target. Wala. You cannot hit the target.
Ate ba siya?
Okay. That's the way how they play the gun with the pellet gun and to hit the target. It's very hard for the kids to hit. Istorbo. No more. It's already 11 o'clock. A few people already. We're now going home. It's already 11 o'clock.
Thank you for watching, guys. Just click on my YouTube channel, Al Johnny Rick.